Welcome to the top best. The best nail hammock is probably one of the most innovative tools for dog owners who want to make nail trimming a breeze. This product is designed to gently and safely restrain your dog, making the process less stressful for both of you. Say goodbye to the struggles and hello to a more relaxed grooming experience, because this hammock is here to change the game. Number 5. Kkiimatt 10-in-1 Pet Grooming Hammock Kit. This innovative kit makes grooming your pet easier than ever. It includes everything you need for nail trimming and other grooming tasks, all in one convenient package. The hammock is made of strong mesh material and designed to last. The special sewing process ensures it won't tear, providing a safe and secure experience for your pet. Giving medication, cleaning teeth and ears, or applying eye drops becomes much simpler. You can groom your pet at home without the worry of being bitten, making it a great tool for both owners and vets. The kit comes with sturdy carabiners, a sharp nail clipper with a safety feature, and a file. This combination helps you avoid struggles during nail trimming, creating a stress-free experience. The 3D mesh structure keeps your pet comfortable and relaxed. The design reduces friction, ensuring a calm grooming session. Plus, it's easy to clean, either by hand or in the machine. This M-size hammock is suitable for medium dogs under 36 pounds. Please measure your dog's front and rear leg distance to ensure a proper fit before purchasing this product. What we like. This product is designed with a special sewing process, so it's sturdy and endurable. It also comes with a complete grooming kit, making it a perfect choice for all your pet's needs. If you're looking for a stress-free grooming experience and a reliable product, you should consider this one. What people say. The harness is made from durable and breathable mesh fabric, which is comfortable for your pet while still being sturdy enough to support their weight. The harness is designed with 4 leg holes for your pet's legs, ensuring they stay in place while suspended. It's designed to keep pets comfortable while keeping them secure, and the mesh material ensures that they won't overheat during longer grooming sessions. Number 4. Dog Grooming Kit, Hammock, Clipper, File, S. This kit is a perfect solution for pet owners. It includes everything you need to groom your dog or cat at home, making it easy and cost-effective. If your pet hates nail trimming, this grooming hammock is the answer. It helps restrain them effortlessly, making grooming a breeze and reducing stress for both of you. You can do nail trimming, hair grooming, bathing and many more jobs easily with half the effort and twice the success. The hammock is made from soft, high-quality coral fleece. It's lightweight, durable, and fast-drying, ensuring your pet's comfort. The design minimizes friction, promoting a calm and relaxed grooming experience. She will even enjoy it. The kit includes professional-grade nail clippers with a safety guard to prevent overcutting. A file is also included to smooth the nails. Many groomers and vets recommend this tool set. The Grooming Sling Hammock comes in 4 sizes to fit any dog under 80 pounds. If you have any issues, our 24-hour service is available to assist you. What we like. This product helps pets overcome their fears during grooming. The comfortable coral fleece material ensures a pleasant experience. If your pet is anxious during nail trimming, this product will help you to restrain them effortlessly. What people say. As soon as I hung them up in the shower, he knew he had been gotten. They were done in 2 minutes, and I even got to do the dew claws. Usually by the time I get the others done I say F***K it out of frustration, so they usually don't get done every time. She was able to stretch a hind leg out far enough to reach my hand while I grasped the front paw to trim the nails. But I was still able to trim the nails, which has been nearly impossible without this harness gadget. Number 3. Supet Dog Grooming Hammock Harness, Coral Blue, S. Tired of struggling to groom your pet? This hammock harness makes nail trimming, bathing, and other grooming tasks a breeze. It's designed to make the experience comfortable and relaxing for your furry friend. This grooming sling features a double-layer fabric design with breathable air mesh technology. The high-density knitted sling and durable carabiners ensure your pet's safety during grooming. Simply place your pet's legs in the holes, connect the D-ring belt, and secure it. The hammock is machine washable for easy cleaning, but avoid high-temperature drying to extend its life. This grooming hammock is suitable for pets under 65 pounds and over 10 pounds. The carabiners lock and shrink ring keep the strap secure, even for active dogs. Please measure your pet before purchasing. Have questions? Contact us. We're committed to your satisfaction and will respond within 24 hours. Get yours today and make grooming a stress-free experience. What we like. This product uses double-layer fabric design for comfort and safety. It's also easy to use, just place your pet's legs in the holes. If you have an active dog, this product ensures safety with its durable carabiners and secure design. What people say. I slip him into it, hook it up. In our case, the bunk bed turned out to be the perfect spot, and he dangles enthusiastically while I Dremel his nails. It saves me so much time, money, and frustration. It works. Holy cheese balls. Got it in the mail, ripped the package open. Hubby set up a ladder, grabbed a random pole out in the yard that literally had to have been sitting to the side waiting to shine for this very moment to put her on. She fought us a bit getting her into the harness, not bad, but she knew something was up. He then held her up on one side of the ladder while I tried to clip her to the pole standing on the other side, Maybabe slightly squinting from some of the apprehension while silently praying to the puppy gods that this works when he begins to tell me, if you can ever get her clipped and we'll know. To which I replied I'm nervous. And then he said, it would really help if you'd stop squinting and mumbling incoherent words and just get it done. I rolled my eyes. LOL. I got her clipped in and stood back slightly. I was on the edge of my seat like I'm watching the 1960s Alfred Hitchcock movie Psycho waiting for her reaction. Well, she just dangled there, tried to swim in the air some, fussed at us but in the end, just dangled, smiley face. I would do a paw and reward with a treat and lots of praises. Number 2. Pet Grooming Hammock Kit. Introducing the Pet Grooming Hammock Kit. This complete set makes grooming your dog or cat a breeze. It's designed to help you easily trim nails, clean ears, and more. The kit includes everything you need, a grooming hammock, nail clippers, a tear stain remover comb, and more. It's a huge help if your pet moves around a lot. This will make the process much easier. This hammock is suitable for most cats and dogs. Whether you have a British Shorthair or a Beagle, this kit is designed to help you. It's a versatile tool for all kinds of pets. Made with 3D, air mesh technology, the hammock is comfortable and durable. It's machine washable and designed to last. The large surface area helps your pet feel relaxed. The included carabiners are very resistant, ensuring the hammock is secure. You can take care of your pet without worry. This kit is a wonderful gift for your pets and friends. What we like. This product comes with a complete set of grooming tools, making it a comprehensive solution. It is suitable for most cats and dogs. If you want a complete grooming solution and a gift for your pet, it's a great choice. What people say. The design of the hammock is clever and efficient, ensuring that dogs of different sizes can be accommodated comfortably. The hammock works the best so far. The size is perfect and the color is great. It's not too stiff and it's soft for her body and her head to rest. This hammock is the best thing ever. We put the first dachshund in it and she just looked at us. She did not try to move her feet, cry, or try to get out of the hammock. It was a very fast clip and her nails were done. Same with our other dachshund. Number 1. Ultivast Dog Grooming Hammock Kit, S, Purple. Tired of expensive grooming appointments? This Ultivast Dog Grooming Hammock helps you save money. You can do it yourself and enjoy the unique purple color. This isn't just a hammock, it's a whole kit. It includes nail clippers, a nail file, and a bath brush. You get everything you need for grooming, all in one package. Make nail trimming easy and quick. This dog sling comes in various sizes to fit most dogs. Remember to measure your dog before you buy it. This hammock is built for safety. It has strong stitching, metal carabiners, and adjustable straps. This gives you extra security while you trim. Your dog will love the comfort. It has soft mesh fabric, large openings, and a supportive chest area. Get one and make grooming a pleasant experience. What we like. This product helps you save money on grooming costs. It includes a complete grooming kit, providing everything you need. If you want extra security during grooming, this product's reinforced stitching and dual straps are perfect for you. What people say. The hammock is well made and sturdy. It makes nail trimming so much easier. The design is very effective for keeping the dog still. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.